Hack 1. Install a tiny magnetic strip near your door, so your keys always stick and never get lost again. Hack 2. Turn an unused underbed drawer into a hidden charging station for all your devices. Hack 3. Mount a towel bar on your desk edge and slide your laptop in to save surface space. Hack 4. Use a shower curtain with built-in pockets to store toiletries and save shelf space. Hack 5. Stack pans vertically using a wire rack to save cabinet room and prevent scratching. Hack 6. Place your Wi-Fi router inside a decorative open front box to hide it without blocking signal. Hack 7. Use a clip-on book light instead of a bedside lamp to free up your nightstand. Hack 8. Stick magnetic spice jars on your fridge to clear up kitchen counter clutter instantly. Hack 9. Use a slim rolling cart between appliances as a hidden pull-out mini pantry. Hack 10. Install hooks behind a full-body mirror to store bags and accessories neatly. Hack 11. Add a clamp on shelf to your desk to lift monitors and create storage under them. Hack 12. Stick command hooks inside your kitchen cabinets to neatly hang pot lids. Hack 13. Use clear label bins to create fridge zones that make everything easier to find. Hack 14. Hang a shoe organizer on your pantry door to store snacks for quick and tidy access. Hack 15. Install a fold-down wall desk so you get workspace without losing any room. Hack 16. Add an over-the-sink shelf to make extra space for soaps, plants, and essentials. Hack 17. Attach a bedside caddy to hold remotes, books, and chargers without using a nightstand. Hack 18. Use a tension rod under your sink to hang spray bottles and free up cabinet space. Hack 19. Label all your cables and chargers so you always know what belongs where. Hack 20. Use a small Lazy Susan in your bathroom cabinet to instantly find your products. Hack 21. Use a ceiling-mounted drying rack that pulls down when needed to save extra floor space. Hack 22. Add a magnetic shelf beside your bathroom mirror to store small metal grooming tools neatly. Hack 23. Create a narrow shelf behind your sofa to keep chargers, remotes, and drinks organized. Hack 24. Use thick curtains as temporary room dividers to create privacy without renovation. Hack 25. Place clear drawer towers under your desk or counter to increase hidden storage. Hack 26. Mount a slim trash can inside a cabinet door to free up kitchen floor space. Hack 27. Add a second tension rod in your closet to double your hanging space instantly. Hack 28. Install floating shelves in your entryway to store shoes vertically and save floor space. Hack 29. Use a pull-out tray under your sink to keep cleaning supplies easy to reach. Hack 30. Install a magnetic knife strip inside a cabinet to keep your countertop clear and safe. Hack 31. Use foldable wall hooks that stay flat when not in use to keep your walls looking clean. Hack 32. Repurpose a file organizer to store your cutting boards and baking trays vertically. Hack 33. Use a rolling laundry hamper to move clothes easily in small apartments. Hack 34. Add a corner shower shelf to organize toiletries without drilling holes. Hack 35. Store extra blankets or clothing in flat boxes under your sofa for hidden storage. Hack 36. Lift your monitor with a drawer riser to improve posture and add extra storage. Hack 37. Hang an over-the-cabinet basket to store snacks or cleaning supplies efficiently. Hack 38. Use command hooks inside your vanity cabinet to hang hair tools neatly. Hack 39. Install a floating corner desk to create a workspace without blocking walking areas. Hack 40. Keep a small basket on your coffee table to organize remote controls and reduce clutter.